These adjustments are intense.
More. Good. Don't hold. Let that go more. That's it. Relax your stomach more. That's it. Good. Relax here. Good. Even more.
Oh, oh, I felt it twice. Oh,
Got it.
That was.
Got it.
Oh, felt that one too.
Wow.
Doing handstands.
So we're going to do this side here. You're good. Just this, all the way forward. So same thing here. We're gonna push down. That's it. Take a deep breath, let that out. More. Good. Don't hold. Not bad.
No.
Yeah? Good.
Yeah.
Is that tender when I press a little bit here?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna start. I want you to actually take a deep breath in and let all your air out. I'm gonna press real lightly. Look up a little bit differently. Let your elbows and arms relax down more. One more time, deep breath, and exhale. That's it. Let that go. Did I hurt it all?
No, that felt good. Yeah.
We're gonna get a little bit higher on your back. Let me see this. And then you're gonna hold tight this way. I'm gonna go up here a little bit. That's it. So I want you to take a deep breath in. Let all that air out. Let that go more. That's it. So relax a little bit more. Keep that foot hooked just like that. Good. Let that roll more. Good. You alright?
Yeah.
See, you're laughing too. Alright, so we're gonna adjust down here first. I'm gonna have you turn your head.
Oh, no, I'm actually scared for this part.
You're scared for this part?
Yeah, but it's okay.
You're sure?
Yeah.
You're okay?
Mhm.
Alright. That's good. That's it. Just relax a little bit.
Oh my god. That was scary.
How did it feel?
It was good. Yeah, I'm crying. It's okay though.
Are you crying because it hurt or because...
No, I'm crying because my face is down, so I like have watery eyes
Okay.
all the time.
You ready for the next one?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good, relax everything. Good, more.
Oh my god.
How do you feel?
Good. I mean, okay.
You feel okay?
Mhm.
What are you feeling?
I can like feel the whole spine.
Tell me, how does that spot that you were coming in with, how does it feel right now?
It feels better. It actually does. I'm trying to like test it.
Yeah?
See how I feel. That thing feels so good, like here. Yeah.
Feels a little better?
Yeah. It does. Thank you.
Feel a little looser?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I pulled on you, how far did it go down?
Kind of like from like here to like here. I feel
Okay,
like.
good. So that area.
Yeah. Is that like what it's supposed to?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to like literally pull off and like uncompress everything.
Like this
decompress.
way?
Yeah.
Not this way?
No, I mean this way. Like when you were laying this
Okay,
way, it's supposed
yeah,
to
yeah.
decompress that way.